We don't have rain gutters in Arizona, so it just pour. And right now there's a river out in the curb. Max and I just went and played in it. I don't know that he's a fan. You like it? I don't think he likes thunder. It's wet. He's watching us. That's a lot of water. Yeah. We've got some standing water in our backyard.